This is again one more important example based on normal distribution. In a sample of 1000 cases, the mean of a certain test is 14 and standard deviation is 2.5. Assuming the distribution to be normal, find the value. How many students score between 12 and 15? How many score above 18? And how many score below 8? And exactly you have to find 16. The first point is find the score between 12 and 15. Therefore, x1 equal to 12 and x2 equal to 15. When you have x1 is 15, then z1 is x1 minus mu upon sigma. Mu is mean is 14 and standard deviation is 2.5, right? Find the value of z1 is minus 0.8. Again, x2 equal to 15, find z2. z2 is 0.4. What we have to find? We have to find area lying between minus 0.8 and 0.4. The value, this is normal distribution, 0 to 0.4 is here, 0 to minus 0.8 is here. Therefore, the value area between 0 to 0.8 plus area between 0 to 0.4 minus sign show that this is in opposite direction. Now, in normal distribution, you have to see the value the value of z lie between 0 to 8 and 0 to 0.8 and 0 to 0.4. In normal distribution, you have to see this value 0 to 0.8 and 0 to 0.4. Now the value of z is 0 to 0.4. 0 to 0.4 is 0.1554 and 0 to 0.8. 0 to 0.8 is 0.2881. These two values we are using here because we have to find the area lie between minus 0.8 and 0.4. This value is 0.4435. Now required number of students multiply in the last 1000. This is 443 approximately. Now in the second point, above 18. Now x equal to 18, find z. Z is 1.6. 1.6 is right to 1.6. Area right to 1.6. How we can find the area right to 1.6? This is area right to 1.6. We can find area between 0 to infinite minus area between 0 to 1.6. 0 to infinite minus 0 to 1.6, then we can find the area right to 1.6. Area between 0 to infinite is 0.5 and area between 0 to 1.6 is 0.4452. This value is 0.0548. Required number of student multiply 1000. This is 55 approximately. And the third point below 8. X equal to 8, find z. X equal to 8, find z. Z is minus 2.4. Minus 2.4, area left to minus 2.4. How we can find area left to minus 2.4? We can find area between 0 to minus infinite minus area between 0 to 2.4. Then this value is area between 0 to infinite or area between 0 to minus infinite is same. We can write this step very easily. this is 0.5 minus area between 0 to 2.4, this is 0.4918. Area between 0 to 2.4, area between 0 to 2.4, this value, area between 0 to 2.4, this is 0 to 2.4, this is 0.4918. This value we are using here, 0 to 2.4. Now this value is 0.4918. Now this is 0.0082. Required number of student, multiply 1000, this is 8 approximately. Now in the last, exactly how many student score? It's 16. Then this 16 is the mean of 15.5 and 16.5. Therefore x1 15.5 and x2 16.5. Find z1 and z2. Area between 0.6 and 1. How we can find area between 0.6 and 1? This is 0.6, this is 1. How we can find this? We can find area between 0 to 1 minus area between 0 to 0.6. Area between 0 to 1 minus area between 0 to 0.6. Therefore this value is, the value 0 to 1 is 0.3413 and 0 to 0.6, this is 0.2257. Now this is 0.1156. Required number of student is 116 approximately. Now this is mean of normal distribution. How we can find the mean of normal distribution? The mean of normal distribution is mu, and this mu we can find by the help of this formula. Mean of continuous distribution fx equal to minus infinite to x minus infinite to plus infinite x into fx dx upon minus infinite to plus infinite fx into dx. What is this fx? This fx is normal distribution. Then the mean value is minus infinite to plus infinite x into fx. fx is 1 upon sigma under root 2 pi e की power minus 1 upon 2 x minus mu upon sigma का whole square into dx. Now substitute x minus mu upon sigma equal to z. Then x equal to mu plus sigma z, and we can find dx equal to mu into dz. Substitute this value in this given. This value is mu plus sigma z and 1 upon sigma e की power minus z square upon 2 into sigma dz. Open this bracket. This value we can write mu e की power minus z square upon 2 dz plus sigma z e की power minus z square upon 2 into dz. Now the value of 1 upon under root 2 pi minus infinite to plus infinite e की power minus z square upon 2 dz, this is 1. Here you have the value. Therefore this is mu, and integrate the second bracket. When we take the integration of the second bracket, the end limit, apply limit minus infinite to plus infinite, this is 0. Therefore the mean value is mu. And the value of minus infinite to plus infinite fx into dx, this is area under normal curve, this is always 1. Therefore the mean value of normal distribution is mu.